Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to see you here on the iSenseHUB platform. iSenseHUB is a platform that helps you transform your productivity. It is the ultimate user-friendly, all-in-one AI-powered platform that gives you real value for money. This morning, I'm going to show you a quick demo tutorial of our AI image generator, where you can get crystal clear images generated effortlessly. So without much ado, let's quickly jump into that. Don't forget, I am working in the dark mode, but you have the option to toggle back into light mode if you please to do so. So let's go to the AI image generator. It is a simple platform, a simple tool. You don't have to do a lot more than just giving an idea, right? For instance, let me say, let me go back to this one. For instance, let me say I want to generate an image. It's a beautiful morning, right? So I would say, um, right, right, colorful morning sunshine. You know, this is not just I've typed. You have the option to specify how you want your image to look, the image quality right here. Probably I'll just use HD. But you have the option, a lot of options, the sizes here, the style, depending upon what you're looking to do. These are all options that are available if you want 3D rendering, if you want minimalist. All those options are available, but I'm just going to leave that. The system knows that I am asking about a sunshine, bright morning sunshine. So it's going to give me something that is that fits that description. So let's quickly generate the image. So it's working behind the scene. It's doing its magic. It's trying to put together a captivating, a clear image that matches your description of what you're looking to do. So, yep, that is what I just got here, right? I can look at it. I'm clearer. This is a bright morning sunshine. You know, this is just all the prompt I put in. Okay, let's look at something more sophisticated. I actually chanced upon this prompt on a website called Prompt Hero. So I want to give them credit. This prompt that I'm going to use right now, I didn't write it myself. I copied it from Prompt Hero website. I just wanted to try and see how iSenseHUB can replicate the image that was generated um, when the original creator of the prompt used it. So I'll just copy it and put the prompt over here. This is sophisticated. They did a great job, you know. So that's just the prompt, and I'm going to click generate. Yeah, the person engineered this prompt. I like this design. It's so powerful, you know, so bold, so powerful. But this is the prompt, right? Again, I got this from Prompt Hero website. So in case you're looking for prompt, you can go there. I have another one that I copied from the same platform, Prompt Hero. So just to give you that disclaimer, when I want to generate something new, I like to refresh the page so that the old prompt that, sometimes the cache at the back end. So always ensure that you refresh your page when you generate an image and you want to generate another one. Just click your refresh button and you should be good to go. This one, I'm going to generate it in the light mode. And all these images I'm generating under DALL-E. We also have Stable Diffusion that you can generate images on, okay? But I'm just going to stick to DALL-E. It's doing a great job, so I'm just sticking right here. This is another prompt, so powerful, sophisticated. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, the bright sunlight is coming right in my face. Summer over here, we don't have to worry too much about the cold weather. So it's good times, right? All right, so that image is generated, and you see that. Yeah. If you download this, it's gonna look more. actually want it. Okay, so let me download that. Okay, so that's it. When you download, this is how it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this pretty? Look at how clear these images are. Like this one, and you can actually look at the other one, right? This one that we generated earlier. You can download that and look at it as well. See how pretty this is. You know, this is pretty, at least to me, it is. And the one that I just put in, a bright morning sunshine, this is not complicated. It's just something simple. But look at what I got. A bright morning sunshine. You can literally print this and put it on your wall. Okay, you can literally print this and or frame this and use it as you want to, because this is very beautiful and the prompt is just so simple, right? I said a bright morning sunshine, and this is what I got. So guys, you know what to do with iSenseHUB. Log onto iSenseHUB. You can generate images using DALL-E, or you can also use Stable Diffusion to generate your images. Yeah. So guys, thank you for being here, and I appreciate we're going to run so many other tutorial videos to cover all the tools on the platform. You will see that the platform has been revamped, and I hope you're enjoying it. Catch you on the other one. Goodbye.